Short on laundry space? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best portable washing machines, comparing cleaning performance, capacity, portability, and value to help you choose the right one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine 0.9 CUFT Compact Washer with LED Display. The COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is a practical option for American buyers who want the convenience of doing laundry at home without needing a full-size washing machine. With a 0.9 cubic foot compact design and LED display, it's especially suitable for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and smaller homes where space is limited. In everyday use, the compact size makes it easier to fit the washer into tight laundry areas. It's a good solution for smaller loads such as everyday clothes, workout clothing, towels, underwear, and other lightweight items. The LED display also makes the controls easier to understand, which is useful if you want a portable washer without a complicated setup. The biggest advantage is convenience. Instead of carrying small loads to a laundromat every few days, you can handle many everyday washing needs right where you live. It's also a useful backup washer for households that need additional laundry capacity. However, the 0.9 CUFT capacity is much smaller than a standard household washer, so larger families or buyers who regularly wash bulky bedding may find themselves running multiple cycles. If you need to wash large loads every week, a full-size machine will be more practical. Overall, the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine is a great choice for American buyers who want a compact, space-saving washer for apartments, dorms, RVs, and smaller laundry loads. Number 2. Portable Washing Machine, 28 pounds Twin Tub Washer Mini Compact Laundry Machine with Drain Pump, Semi-Automatic 18 pounds Washer 10 pounds Spinner Combo for dorms, apartments, RVs. This portable twin tub washing machine is designed for buyers who want more control over the washing and spinning process while keeping the machine compact. It features a 28-pound total capacity, with an 18-pound washer and 10-pound spinner, making it particularly useful for apartments, dorms, RVs, and other locations where a traditional washer isn't practical. The twin tub design is the biggest difference here. You can wash clothes in one compartment and then transfer them to the separate spinner to remove excess water. That makes it more flexible than a simple compact washer and can be useful when you want to process multiple loads without waiting for one combined wash and spin cycle. The included drain pump also makes removing wastewater more convenient, depending on your setup. For people living in smaller spaces, the ability to wash clothes without installing a full-size machine can save both space and trips to the laundromat. Overall, this 28-pound twin tub portable washer is a strong choice for American buyers who want more washing capacity, a dedicated spin compartment, and flexible laundry operation in a compact machine. Number 3. Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet front load washer, metallic silver. The Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet front load washer is the full-size option in this group, making it a better fit for American households that need to handle larger laundry loads. Its 4.5 cubic foot capacity gives you considerably more room than the compact portable machines, making it more practical for families, frequent laundry, towels, and larger clothing loads. The front load design also makes it a more traditional choice for a permanent laundry room setup. If you regularly wash a lot of clothes and don't want to divide everything into several small cycles, the extra capacity can save time. It's particularly suitable for buyers who have enough space for a dedicated washer and want something closer to a standard household machine. The trade-off is portability. This isn't the machine to choose for an RV, dorm, or small apartment where space and installation are major concerns. Buyers should also make sure the dimensions and installation requirements work with their existing laundry area. Overall, the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet front load washer is best for American buyers who want full-size capacity for regular household laundry and larger loads. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 3.0 cu foot portable washer, 26.5 pounds capacity, BPW 30 MW. The BLACK+DECKER 3.0 cu a foot portable washer is a useful middle ground between tiny compact washers and full-size machines. With a 26.5-pound capacity, it gives American buyers more room for everyday laundry while still maintaining a portable design. It's especially useful for apartments, smaller homes, RVs, and other spaces where installing a standard washer isn't practical. The larger capacity compared with many mini washers means you can handle more clothing in each cycle, potentially reducing the number of loads you need to run. The biggest advantage is the combination of portable size and useful capacity. You get more flexibility than a very small washer without committing to a full-size appliance. It's a good fit for individuals or smaller households that want to do laundry at home but don't have room for a conventional machine. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 3.0 cu-a-foot portable washer is a strong choice for buyers who want more capacity in a portable washer for apartments, RVs, and compact laundry spaces. Number 5. Nictoma Portable Washing Machine, 17.8 pounds 2.4 cu.ft, glass lid, drain pump. The Nictoma Portable Washing Machine is designed for buyers who want a compact washer with a larger capacity than many basic mini machines. It offers a 2.4 cu.ft capacity and 17.8 pound load size, along with a glass lid and drain pump for convenient everyday operation. The compact design makes it suitable for apartments, dorms, RVs, and other locations where a traditional washer would take up too much space. The glass lid is useful because you can easily see the laundry during the cycle, while the drain pump makes wastewater management more convenient depending on your installation. For smaller households, the capacity should be enough for regular clothing and everyday laundry without requiring a full-size machine. However, it still isn't intended for very large loads or bulky bedding. Buyers who regularly wash comforters or large family loads should consider a full-size washer instead. Overall, the Nictoma Portable Washing Machine is a good option for American buyers who want a compact washer with useful capacity, a visible glass lid, and a drain pump for apartment, RV, or small space laundry. That wraps up my top 5 best portable washing machine picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the right option for your home, apartment, or small space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.